Hello, who are you? Hello, I am Monkey. Can monkeys climb fast? Yes, I climb very fast. Why is your tail so long?
My tail helps me balance.
Do monkeys like bananas? Yes, I love sweet bananas. Can monkeys jump far?
Yes, I jump very far.
Do monkeys live together? Yes, we live in groups. Are monkeys smart? Yes, monkeys are very smart. Do monkeys sleep in trees? Yes, trees keep us safe. Do monkeys make loud sounds? Yes, we use sounds to talk. Do baby monkeys climb too? Yes, baby monkeys love climbing. What do monkeys eat? We eat fruits, leaves, and nuts.
Why do monkeys swing on vines?
Swinging helps us move quickly. Do monkeys clean themselves? Yes, clean fur keeps us healthy. What do monkeys do in rain? We hide under big leaves. Do monkeys help each other? Yes, we work together. Why do monkeys make funny faces? Funny faces help us play and talk.
Why are monkeys so fast?
My quick hands help me climb and grab. How do monkeys drink water? I use my hands to drink water. Can monkeys hear well? Yes, we hear danger quickly. I learned many monkey facts. Subscribe for more animal adventures.